In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on security and privacy. Then scroll again to tap on device unlock. Click on Fingerprint and Face Unlock section over here and click on Face on the left. Now enter your screen lock and hit Add Now at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!